Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to deposit crypto to Coinbase wallet. So it's either you will deposit Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, or USDC. So first open up your Coinbase wallet right here. So let's just go back to the home page and you will be greeted by this. The first thing you'll have to do is go to the middle button with the trade and press receive. So you will have to deposit crypto into your address via this. So here's your Ethereum address. You can scan the QR code or you can copy the actual Ethereum address. So next, you can also do it with Bitcoin. You can copy the Bitcoin address right there. Solana, same thing. You can also scan the QR code right here so that you'll be able to deposit Solana into your address. USDC, it's going to be another thing. So USDC will depend on what network you have. So let's just say you will have USDC in the Bitcoin network. You can receive it right here by copying or scanning the QR code that's on the screen basically, and that's how you do it. So you can also receive with the US bank, so it's going to be a different type of method. So it's going to be like purchasing. So you can also do other assets right here like Litecoin. You can receive Litecoin right here, or you can receive Dogecoin exclusively even though it's not on the network. So there you go. So that's how you deposit crypto to your Coinbase wallet, and it's just simple as ever. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.